Welcome to another episode of How I Met Your Mother. Today, kids, I'm going to show you, or tell you how I met your mom, but first we're going to do some fabricating. Alright, so you see this is not a weapon, okay? Don't demonetize this, YouTube, please. This is a seat bracket. So, before I can really work on the Mustang, I kinda need to clear out all this stuff. So I decided that instead of getting rid of my stock seats, I should hold on to them in case I ever needed to put them back and whatnot. And I need the harnesses off of them for an upcoming video, if you guys remember. So we're gonna turn them into racing seats for Mario Kart. And then if anybody challenges me, we can sit them down in the Mustang seats and I'll kick their ass. Already fabricated the first bracket. Basically, we just need a little piece of steel like this with a hole. So that way the bolt will go through it on the front brackets, and then we're gonna drill another hole in the back, I haven't done yet, and then it'll look like this. I'm gonna do some welding. These look like absolute peanut butter, but it's okay, because this is my first attempt. We've got this larger piece of steel that I cut this smaller piece of steel off of, but I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of draw an angle on here. See, the moon is at an angle, so we need to match that angle with our angle. That's an angle if I've ever seen one. Now, what do we do now? Flip this over. I think the angle needs to go the other way, this way. Yeah, like that. And this side has a giant bead on it. See, I probably should have finished this one. It's okay. It's fine.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
See, we could do some measurements, but I'm kind of just gonna wing it. Winging it always leads to success. I can't explain it, but whenever I actually try to measure things, it seems like it always ends up lopsided. I'm like, what the heck? Also, I told Colby to go and get hearing protection because this is gonna be loud.
I think I'll be fine.
Someone with tiny hands could steal something out of my trunk. If you can fit your hands in there, you can get access to my meme stash. I couldn't find my safety glasses, so we went the extra mile with the full face shield. It's all good. Dude, this one turned out so much better than the other one. Like, this is actually going to be a flat surface to weld to, because the first one was like...
Natural habitat.
I couldn't remember what the next step was. Alright.
Well, at any rate, that's my fault. And when it's my fault, I'll say it's my fault.
It's his fault, guys. We got to make sure this is at a right angle. Now we're measuring off the sun. The sun is at a right angle. Keep that in mind. It's very important.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you put the cap back on your pen. You don't want it to dry out. Put all this gear back on. I feel like I'm going scuba diving. I've never been scuba diving. I can't swim. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So this one's a rectangle, so we gotta do some more measuring, more cutting.
Yeah.
Sick, my first cameo.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is your roommate, Kevin.
What's good?
You're boring.
What do you want, a lap dance?
How'd you know?
Don't forget to cap your marker. Let's take it outside.
Square up.
Let's take this outside. Wait, you want a piece of this?
He's trying to kill the cameraman.
As you can see, now we have a nice flat, well, it's a little off, but so am I, so
Semi-flat.
it's okay. Obviously, this isn't like a professional fab shop, so we can kind of do things the janky way. The next step, we're going to take this other piece of scrap that had the hole in it. That's what I fabricated this out of.
Said.
Yeah, well, it would probably fit too. Look at that. I'm just going to go ahead and trace because tracing is how you win. Fake it till you make it, right? So I'm just going to line up the holes because they're identical, and I'm going to make one of those, one of these boys.
He's doing art, guys.
I had to trace around the welds a little bit, but it's fine. We can always adjust it later. Don't try this at home. I'm a professional.
Right.
Right. How can you see all this PPE and not think I'm a professional? Well, we were about to weld, and then Colby decided it was time to have, what'd you make, cinnamon rolls?
Yeah.
So we're having cinnamon rolls, and then we're gonna weld.
Whole thing.
Alright boys, so we've got this set up here. This was the original one that I welded, and unfortunately I cut my angle a little bit too steep. That's probably what I get for not measuring things and just winging it. But luckily I have this little piece of like cut off material that fit in the wedge perfectly, and it's got it at the perfect angle. So, you know what? She's good. So I'm just gonna tack that right there, and then we're gonna send it, and we're gonna weld the whole thing. Wait, but I need this up for a second so I can...
We need to see for a minute, guys.
Now I know it looks bad, but that's okay because I have an angle grinder. Alright, haven't recorded anything in a couple hours, but I'm ready. So, we went to the store, we got some items, which I'm going to show to you in just a second. As you can see, this looks like shit. But we're going to go ahead, I'm going to take the flap disc to it and kind of smooth it out a little bit, and then we're going to make this thing house ready, because as it stands, my landlord will destroy me if this touches the hardwood floor. So, we got some work to do.
Doesn't look too bad.
All things considered, that weld was just not good, but I mean, it's going on a freaking Mustang seat, so
It's refurbished.
I don't really. Yes. Hand tight will do. Same story here. You can do the rest of it inside.
Carry in the chair like a champ.
It's not gonna hit anything, is it?
No, you're good.
Okay, well,
You're fine.
it's compressing my spine. Ow.
Look at this poor man. You did it, everybody. Good job.
I did it.
Oh, is he gonna piss himself now?
What? Ignore all the boxes.
We're not gonna ignore the boxes.
Wait, we have to look at the boxes, but they get to ignore them?
Yes.
This makes no sense.
Exactly.
Chill.
Also, this battery is about to die. You might want to speak fast.
Okay.
Or forever hold your peace.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and cut some of this felt fabric that I bought at Joann Fabrics, and then
Yeah, kid, the single mom.
yeah, shut up.
Here.
You could just cut straight through this.
Yeah. What? You can also change the setting on the knife
Yeah, well,
to setting 1.
I wish I could change the settings on your smart ass.
Quick with it.
I can't wait till the song comes out.
He'll bleep out the ass.
If it's this late in the episode, I might leave it in. Now we're gonna pull out our overpriced tape. Oh my god. Yes. Oh god. Oh god. I'm trying not to
We're
scratch
trying
the-
not to scratch the floor, guys. This is why we're on cardboard. You're going to do another layer.
Yes.
Word.
Bet.
Bet.
Big bet.
Big bet, baby. Oh my god, why was it like perfect?
Because I'm perfect.
Man, this guy's perfect, right?
I'm perfect. Look at those welds.
Just look at his welds, everybody.
Yep, they're perfect in their own way.
So perfect.
They're perfect because I say they're perfect.
I mean, look at this guy. It's over here. Look at those hands. All right, let's see him lay down this felt, everybody. Oh,
Just immediately messed it up.
guys, he's so focused. Is it staying?
It appears to be.
It appears to have worked, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
It's success.
It's kind of sticking out, but...
And now he's gonna do this a second time.
Well, first I'm going to reinstall this.
And we're not gonna film it because it's the same thing.
Yeah, we'll be back
We'll
in a
just
second.
be back when the chair's done.
No, we can film it.
There's no reason that. Who wants to watch you put? Lay tape.
Somebody will. For whoever wants to see it, it's there.
Oh, also, for those of you new here, well, he cuts that. We already saw that first time. Hi, I'm now the new videographer. Name's Colby.
Yeah, give yourself a shout out.
I give myself a shout out for nothing because I don't do anything.
I mean, you're doing something right now.
That's true. I mean,
Putting yourself to use.
of little use.
What if I run out of tape?
I think you just.
Oh.
I think you just.
No. What?
Guys, we ran out of tape.
Dude, I paid $9 for this. What the heck? What a ripoff. That was $9 down the toilet. It'll work. Alright. Let's flip it over.
Let's test this bad boy out.
Oh my god, it's so heavy.
think you're just weak.
Yeah, well, I've been welding and doing crap all day.
That's true.
My back is weak.
Now sit in it.
Hold on. Obviously, it's not completely done because I still need to get hardware in the back, but
It's a rough sketch
yeah.
of what will be. Mario Kart gaming chair, everybody.
Time to play Mario Kart.